In this video, I'll show you how you can see your backed up photos in Google Photos. So if you've got this option turned on and your photos are automatically being backed up, then you can go ahead and view all of them, even if you're on a different phone. So how would we do that? First, go to the Google Photos app, and if you go to the profile icon in the top right hand corner, you can then go ahead and click Google Photos Settings. And from here, if you click on Backup, you can see the email address that you're backing up to, and you can see that backup is enabled. Now to view all of them, you need to open up a web browser. I've opened up Google Chrome, and once you're inside the web browser, you need to do a search, or you need to go ahead and type in here photos.google.com. And once you've done that, it then should take you to photos.google.com, and here you'll be able to see all of your photos no matter what phone you're on. Now do click on the three lines in the top left hand corner, and you are going to need to be logged into the same Google account for this to show. Now most of you will be signed into your Google account anyway on the web browser, so here you'll be able to see all of your photos inside of the web version of Google Photos. That's how I would do it. I hope that helped.